Deepanjali and welcome to Swad Bengal. Bengali New Year's or Poila Baishak is on the way. So Shubha Navabarsha to all my friends. On this special occasion of Poila Baishak, let's make something special in traditional way. Yes friends, I am talking about Daab Chingri, the most popular recipe of Bengal, but I'll cook it in traditional way. I'll neither steam it or microwave it. I'll directly put it on flame. So let's get started. Before that, যদি রেসিপিটা ভালো লাগে লাইক করবেন, শেয়ার করবেন আর অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। Let's begin.
For making Daab Chingri, here I have taken around 500 grams of medium-sized prawns. I have washed it thoroughly and removed the shell. I have kept the head of the prawns. Now we will marinate the prawns with 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix it properly. Once it is nicely coated, we will keep it aside for marination for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, in a pan, we will heat around 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and fry the prawns. Here, we don't have to deep fry the prawns, we will just slightly fry it in this way. Just quick saute. In fact, it's done. We will take it out in a separate plate. And similarly, we will fry rest of the prawns. Here do not overcook the prawns, otherwise it loses the softness and turns to be rubbery. So here it's done. Now in the same pan we will add Panch Foron, that is 5 types of spices. It includes cumin seed, onion seed, fenugreek seed, fennel seed and mustard seed. With Panch Foron, here goes the onion. This is 1 medium size onion. I have roughly chopped it. In this, I'll add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I have chopped it. To this, I'll add 3 to 4 green chilies. You can add more as per taste. And quickly fry it till the onion turns light pink in color. Now, in a mixer jar, we will take around 2 tablespoons of black mustard seed, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard seed and 1 tablespoon of poppy seed. In this, we will add 1 green chili, little bit salt. This will help to reduce the bitterness of the mustard. Now, we'll make a fine powder of it. At this stage, we have not added any water. First, we'll make dry powder of it and then add water. Now mix it with the water and we will make the wet paste of the mustard. Our mustard poppy seed paste is ready and this is one of the key ingredients for Daab Chingri. Similarly, we will also grind the fried onions and garlic and form a paste. To this, I'll also add the coconut which I have scraped from the tender coconut or daab. Here it goes. And now we will make a combined paste of onion and coconut. Now the next step is to marinate the prawns with the onion coconut paste. Here goes our mustard and poppy seed paste. I will add around 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Finally goes the prawns and mix everything properly. The prawn should be well coated with the masala. Here I will add some more green chilies. Now what we need to do next is, we will take a tender coconut or daab. We will remove the top part. I have scraped the coconut inside, which I have used in marinating the prawns. Now we will put this marinated prawns inside the tender coconut in this way, using a spoon. Then seal the tender coconut using a atta dough and cook it in flame. Another thing, while scraping the coconut and making paste of it, I have also used the water of the coconut for making the paste. If you're using the coconut water itself for making the coconut paste, you don't have to add any sugar additionally. Also, it will enhance the taste. We have filled the tender coconut with prawns. Now in this, we will add little bit salt and mustard oil and a green chili. Now we will take a atta dough and seal the daab. We have to spread the atta evenly on the surface of the daab And we need to ensure that the daab is properly sealed from all sides so that there is no leakage and the flavor remains intact inside. So here our daab is perfectly ready to place on the oven. I'll place a stand and ensure the daab is properly placed on it. Switch on the flame and now we will roast the daab in high flame for half an hour. I have also placed another daab. We will roast both of these daab together. Friends, you will find many recipes for daab chingri, but this is the traditional way of preparing it, where the daab is completely burnt in fire. If you want to avoid this step, you can cook the daab in pressure cooker for half an hour, or you can even microwave it for 45 minutes. But trust me guys, this method brings actual flavor of daab chingri. We have to cook the daab from all sides. You need to keep changing the position of the daab. You can see it has cooked from all sides. The daab is now cooked or roasted from all sides. So I'll switch off the flame and allow it to cool. Our daab chingri is ready to serve. Now once the daab is cooled, we will open the atta dough. And you can see how nicely the prawns has cooked. It is so tender and super soft. This looks so delicious guys. So you must try this recipe, especially in this method. And let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you like the recipe, like the video, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for new recipe notification. You can also check my other fish recipes. Till then, have a good day. Take care.